Poor little bird. Oh my God. Is it working?
Trying to get it to work.
Oh, come on.
I didn't mean to do that.
It's just a bird. Don't freak out.
Understand,
Once it feels itself getting free, it's going to start to freak out a little bit.
I know.
So that's why I said to cover its head. Don't be afraid of it, babe. It's not going to do anything.
I'm not afraid of it. I'm just worried about it because
I know you
it's
are.
pretty stuck in every single aspect.
Trust me, this is the best thing we can do right now, okay? You don't want to let it. There you go.
Yeah, but it's going to keep grabbing onto it.
All right, so put this under its leg so it can't get stuck again. Go.
That's the damn point.
Poor little goober. Poor little goober. How did you do that, you poor thing? You poor thing.
Pour some more oil on its beak area.
Just don't let it freak out.
Nothing on your leg.
There you go. Don't worry about that. Just go slow. There you go.
I'm trying.
Hold it so it doesn't.
Yeah, but I think its
Try it. What do you call it?
leg might be broken.
No.
Pour some on the top over here. On this side right here. Because it has to get its feathers. Because it's moving it.
It's working? Sure. Don't lift it unless it's unstuck.
I'm massaging its leg.
Off. Under. You gotta go under, babe. There you go. Start working where.
Get that box.
Where is it?
Inside of
Oh my God. Poor thing, man. Freaking people don't know. You're not supposed to put glue traps outside, morons. This is what you do. You put a freaking trap outside. What? Yeah. Now we're going to try to keep it in here so that we'll know if it's going to be okay and calm down a little bit. Huh?
It will be if we leave it in the box.
Yeah. I know, we got to make some holes in it, okay? Oil?
Top beak section. But only a little bit.
Ah, freak. Did we get it? Just keep it so it doesn't fly off. Because I don't want it to fly out and die by accident.
I think it will right now anyway.
What'd you say?
I don't think it will right now anyway.
My heart is pounding.
Oh, you got your beak.
You got it?
Beak.
Yeah? There you go. Slowly. Cover its head, babe. I was saying to cover its head so it can calm down more. Still stuck though on the beak. Good job, babe. You're getting it. Oh my God. Okay, come on. How's his little foot? There you go. Don't let it fly though, please. Don't pull it hard. Don't pull hard. No, what is that?
I'm not pulling.
Hold on, let me get Eden. Maybe you should just put it down and put it in the box. See what it does. We caught a little bird.
I take my shoes off.
Come.
I take my shoes
Go on the top of the steps, okay? Go to the top of the steps.